Hey YouTube, it's me, Pretty Petty Patch, back again. Follow me on the gram. Don't forget, it'll be in the link underneath. I'm here with my hairstylist and my lash tech. She came all the way from Dallas to do my hair and my lashes. So right now she's just prepping my frontal for this install. Y'all can't really, yeah. She's prepping my frontal for my install. If y'all want to know more about that, y'all will have to follow her on the gram. I'll put that in the link as well. After that, we're gonna speed the video up and y'all show y'all how she do it. Hey! Okay, y'all, we back. She already ready me up. She put the cap on. I guess we finna, what we finna do?
We're finna melt that cap.
We finna melt this cap. So yeah, here we go. I know earlier we left off. I had to leave because I had to get some stuff done. She has stuff to do, so I left her my hair wrap. But I definitely wanted to come back to show y'all the finished look. This is a 20-inch frontal with 18-inch bundles. I definitely wanted the frontal longer than the bundles because I like the way it looks when it's long in the front. This is the back. Yes, all around the edges. She definitely hooks me up. Alright, that's it. Stay tuned for another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram, follow me on all my social medias that will be tagged. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.